Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink videos. If that's something you love and are into, then go ahead, click the subscribe button below so that way you're notified when a new pink video is uploaded. And also follow me on my Instagram. I do post a lot of stories and reels and photos in there. Lots of pink, lots of girly things. So I'll leave all those links and handles down below. So for today's video, we have a PopMart unboxing and I'm so excited for this because it's a new collection and I can't believe I was actually able to get the entire collection. So PopMart released about a few weeks ago, I'm gonna say about maybe 3 weeks ago, maybe 4, they released the baby plush Molly keychains and I was only able to get 2 of them, which I got like right away. But then within about a week or 2, I got a notification that the entire set was available and oh my gosh, of course, I jumped right in, added it to my cart, and here it is. We're going to be unboxing this. I'm so excited. I am obsessed with the little Mollies. The moment I saw them, I was like, I need them. They are little like cats and I am such a cat mom. I have 2 cats. I love anything that has like cats and cat related things. So of course I had to get them and I can't believe I scored on the entire set. These have not been available in over 2 weeks and yeah, I don't even know how I did it. I'm so excited. I also have 2 other blind boxes that I purchased, but they're not PopMart, but we're gonna be unboxing them today as well because it's just gonna be a cute blind box video. When I say I love cats, I'm not kidding. Even my blade is cat. So let's open this up. This has been sitting in my dining room table for 2 days. I've been dying to open this and today's the day. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited. But anytime there's a blind box, I need it and I want it and I get it. So if you know what I mean, it's just so exciting for me. Getting something that I don't really know what I'm getting gets me excited. It's kind of weird in a way. So here it is. Ta-da! Okay, this is so cute. I am obsessed with this. And basically you can get all these adorable little Mollies. Here it is. I am so excited with this. Look how pretty this is. The box is just beautiful. This is so exciting. Here they are. There's 6 of them inside.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be
So those were all the baby Mollies that I ended up getting, and I am in love with each and every single one of them. If you're able to get your hands on these adorable keychains, you definitely need to either get the entire box or get a bunch of these boxes because they're all incredibly cute and you're not going to regret it. I'm just so excited that I was able to get my hands on all of these. They are just so pretty. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the other blind boxes that I also got. So this one here is actually not from PopMart, but I did get it from Newberry Comics, and it is the Nancy teddy bear blind box. So this is what the Nancy teddy bear looks like. I do have another one of these. I got this at Newberry Comics, and they just recently had another one. They had this one here, so of course I got it. It did go up in price. I originally got my first one for about $26, and this one went up to $31.99. Crazy, but I loved it so much that of course I had to get another one. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So this is also a blind box. You do have the opportunity to get any of these 6 adorable teddy bears. These are not they're not keychains, they're just like teddy bears, but they're all so pretty. And then you also have the opportunity of getting the secret one. So which one will it be? So let's go ahead and open this up. And this one here opens from here, from the ribbon. So exciting. I do have the tan one. So, oh my goodness. I hope I get either the pink one or the white one. So here it is. And as you can see, it's pretty big. It's literally a teddy bear. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Ah, I got the white one. Oh my goodness. Oh, she is beautiful. Wow, she's so pretty. Oh my goodness, these are incredibly soft. These are the softest teddy bears I've seen, and they're gorgeous. Look at the size of these. They're like the perfect size to like display, and they're just so pretty. She has little pink feet, and it's like a teddy bear here on the top. And it's like they're blowing a bubble. Oh my goodness, she's so soft. I am obsessed with this. I know she's wearing a green bow, but let me go ahead and show you my other Nancy teddy bear so you can see what I did to her. So this is the one I also have. I got this a few months ago, and she had, I think she had a blue bow, and I took it off and I put a pink one. So I will be taking the bow and replacing it with a pink one. So also from Newberry Comics, I got the Sony Angel I Love Rainy Day series. I think this is a new series, and I am so glad I got it because it's absolutely adorable. This is what the packaging looks like. It's called I Love Rainy Day, and these are all the Sony Angels that you can get in this collection. You can also get 2 secret ones. I did already open this, but I did want to share it in today's video since we are unboxing blind boxes. So this is the one that I ended up getting. Look how cute it is. It is absolutely adorable. He's wearing a little raincoat with a goldfish, and all the Sony Angels have the little wings in the back, and this one has boots. So that was it for today's video and all the blind boxes that I recently got. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. Did you like the Sony Angel, the Nancy box, and the baby Mollies? Let me know your thoughts. Were you able to score any of these recently, and where did you find them? I love to hear more about you guys as well. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Deep connection.